So good morning, everyone. So in last class, what exactly was done? Insert friend was done, if I'm not wrong. Yes. Some of you have already sent me the program also, but again, let me tell you one more thing. Say, I am also not a machine here. Okay, I'm not trying to say that you should not send, but again, to check at least, even I need some time because some of you will write different logic, right? If you write the same logic the way I write, then it will be easier for me to analyze that whether it is right or wrong. But if the logic is different, then definitely I also need some time to check that. So if I am not able to, if I have not sent anything, don't think that the program is wrong or something. It simply means that I didn't have time to verify that program. Got it? Okay. So keeping all that aside, next is which one? Insert rare, yeah. So next one is second case, if I'm not wrong. Yes. First case was inserting at front. Don't write anything. Now it is insert rare. Means at end of list. So in this, there might be two conditions. Which are those? Head is null. What do you mean by head is pointing to null? There are no nodes at all. Second condition is some nodes exist. So in this case, what it will be? This is your head pointing to some. Okay. Like this. This will be null, then okay. So now if I want to insert one new node, then what exactly I should do? So now first thing is I want to create one node in this case also, in this case also. First I'll create one node. Node means what? Already I have defined it. Yes. So here this will be null. This also will be null. And here I'll place some value what user want to insert. Say suppose 5 or 50 you assume. Okay. And here this will be your P. Means the address of this node will be present in that P. So in a similar way, here, first let me clear this. Here in this case, what I should do? Head is pointing to null, which means there are no nodes at all, and I want to insert one node at last. What does it mean? Head should point to P because first node also will be that only, last node also will be that only. So what I just have to do, I just have to point this head. What I should write, I'm not asking. Okay, so next what? Here also, I should create, here I'll try to write, I should create one node inside this. Initially, both the links will be pointing to null, and here I will place 50, and P is the one who is pointing to that particular node. Next. Yes.
Can you fix the exposure, sir? It's not visible clearly.
Visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what I should do? Now I want to insert this particular node at last. Then how many connections I should establish? You check. Should I change anything with respect to this one? No, because last nodes, last means right link should be null only. So I should change only this one. When I say I should change this one, what I should do? Piece this left link should be pointing to previous node. Which is previous node? Where the element 40 is present. That node, not that 40. Where that 40 is present, that complete node. To there, its left link should point. And which is the next one? This one's right link should point to this one. Means when I say that this should become get added to here, means I should create two connections here. One is from here to here, other one is from here to here. Should I change anything with respect to head?
No, sir.
No, because head is pointing to proper same place. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So how can I do that? The first thing, I should bring one pointer called temp to that location. Okay. How to bring it? First, you point your temp to here and increment it to here and increment it to here and increment it to here. Once it stops here, then what I should do? It's a right link here, it's left link here. Is it difficult? What I should write? What I should write? First, start from here. Means this connection. Piece L link should point to same place where
Temps right link.
temp is pointing. Should it be temps R link? Temp is pointing. Then temps L link. Temps R link should point to same place where P is pointing. Here I just have to write temps R link should point to same place where done. This complete method is done. Okay. So should I write complete program?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Say from if I'll write, because also I'll give you an idea what should be written. What insert okay, inside this first line is for declaration of P,
Yes, sir.
comma. See, I am doing it before itself because I know that, but you follow the same step. Next, what? P equals to malloc of that, etc. Okay, and then printf value. In simple words, I'm writing for your understanding what exactly should be written. Scanf element here. Then
Node should be filled with the
can I write it in same line or not?
Yes, sir.
We can write it in same line. Only thing is that semicolon should be inserted properly. Till here, I believe it is done.
Yes, sir.
Head should point to same place where
Yes. It should point wherever it is.
first thing. Listen, all of you. My temp should point to same place where head is pointing. Then I want to bring my temp to that place where it is the last node. Okay, how can I bring it? Should I use for or while? While.
While.
So I'll just write while. Temps. Which link? R link not equal to null. Till then you keep moving temp. How can I move it? Previously, we were moving it directly by saying temp equals to temp string, but here you should use R link because to move right side, we are having R link and L link. Different things are there. Okay, next what I should do? Now temp is pointing to here. Simple thing, you need not see also. Okay, wherever temp is pointing, simple thing, temps right link. Just imagine what you are supposed to do. Should be pointing to same place where P is pointing. P is L link should point to same place where done. The same old linked list which you used to get scared. Same. Nothing different. Only thing is, as I've already mentioned, it's all about it depends, I believe, on the way it was taught to you. Okay. I cannot say that your lecturers were not so good because I personally respect my own lecturers, but they got adjusted to our education system. Their target was that you should pass the exam. That's it. Okay, so accordingly, I have taught you. It does not mean every lecturers because I have seen personally my lecturers were also there who were good enough. Okay, but is it clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Online?
Yes, sir.
Already most of you would have written it, but still I'm not sure how many of you have written or not this particular method. So just take 2 minutes of your time and quickly copy this. However, I'll share it, but still copy this. See, as I've already told initially, listen, initially when I was teaching single linked list or single linked list, how much time we used to take for doing one method? It was more or less like an hour, I can say, or more than that. Sometimes it so happened that complete session was taken for doing only one method, but now hardly 5 minutes
Yes, sir.
for explaining some 2 to 3 minutes, and for writing some 2 to 3 minutes, it comes around 5 or 6 minutes. Okay. In a similar way, inside specific also some of you have tried. That's really great. Some of you have written properly also. Great. But I could not check. I'm so sorry I failed in that because so you also know morning 8 o'clock will come, and by the time we leave, it will become night 8 o'clock. Okay. After that, I should reach room. Meanwhile, you will connect. Some of you will connect for various issues. Fine. I'm not saying something, but there might be some delay. Please cope up with that. Okay. So quickly copy this. Make it fast. Sir, not done yet. So don't write each and every line because half of the program, except else part, everything else is same. Friend. It is not something like everything is same. Compared to insert friend, everything is same. 90%. Okay. Done. Still not done? Copy it. Or otherwise, just leave. How much space you want to leave, you will get to know, right? That much space you leave, I'll share the snap of it. Okay. If I don't share, sorry. I think I didn't took the snap. Yesterday, have I taken snap? I'll share today. Okay. If I don't share, just remind me. I'll just miss it out. Photo will be there. I'll just miss it in sharing it. Okay. Okay. So next, what I should do?
Just insert the specific.
Okay. Observe now. Insert, add. Specific. This remains same.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In this part, assume that first thing, what I need,
Position.
I want to ask the user which position you want to insert. Okay. Position user may say, I want to insert at fourth location. Okay. Fourth position. And I will ask the element as if, okay, I'll make it as 3 because if it is 4, it will be easier for you. Element, say, suppose I'll say it as. It does not mean that if you're inserting a third position, it should be in between these two only. No. If you want to insert 50, you insert 50 also. Okay. Some of you may feel that, sir, these are simpler points. Why you are explaining? Because some of you will get these types of doubts. Okay. So now, if I want to insert it here, one node like this with value
25,
null, null. Till this much, all of you know, I believe.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt till here? No. Next, what I should do? First, I want to insert it in third position. If this has to become third position, I should stop my temp where? Second position. If I want to stop my temp at second position, how many times I should move?
One time.
Only one time. Okay, means position minus
2.
2, less than or equal to position minus 2, or otherwise less than position minus 1. That part should not be a problem, I believe. Okay, so now assume that my temp is pointing to here only. Yes, because third position, if I want to insert, then temp should be at second position. Okay, this part I have done. Next, what? How many connections I should establish? You check.
4.
If this has to come in between, how many connections should I establish?
4 connections.
4 connections. One is from here to here, next one is from here to here, and next one is from here to here, and next one is from here to here. This much I should do. How to do it? Nice song.
4 connections. 30.
Whatever connections I have to do, I'll represent it in blue color. Okay. So from here, first one, this one, whatever is pointing here, that should point to here. Yes? No? This one should point to here. This one, wherever it is pointing, this side. Okay. This one should point to here. And this one here. Yes.
Yes, sir.
These are the tasks that I should do now. Means these are the connections that I should create. How to create it? I'm so sorry. Okay. But let me explain it, then I'll ask you. Okay. I'll give you time, then you can answer. So what I'm just asking you here is, first, which one I should do?
30.
Let me tell the wrong answer. Give me some time. No, I should think. Can I start with this one? Means this one, can I change first? I can point it, however, no problem, but I don't want this one. I don't want that one. Okay. First, can I do this one?
Yes, sir.
Can I do first this one? 100% no. 100% no. Why it is no? If you change this one, means what you are saying, this one I'll stop here. Okay. And this one you will make it to point to here. It is done, you assume. Now, this one you should point to here. How will you point? You don't have any connections. Okay. So for that reason, this one should be there. Okay. This one you should change it at last. Getting it? First, which one you should change? That we will see. But first, which one you should not change? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Which you should not change first, if you ask me. Now, ultimately, this one should point to here.
Yes, sir.
If you want to point to here, then someone should be already be pointing there. Then only you can point this one to here. Who is pointing? Temp's link is pointing to here. Easily you can say P's right link should point to same place where Temp's link is point. But if you remove this one only, how will you say that? Okay. So first you should not remove that. First, I'll try from here. I'm not sure if this is right or wrong. But first I'm just trying. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Can I do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think now, again, I should erase it. Position you don't want.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I should add that, which means I'll only erase these three. I don't want to write completely. When you guys are only not writing completely, why should I write completely? You are writing completely. Really?
Yes, sir.
Should I believe it? Great, then if you are writing it, it's really great. But, however, void insert spec. Okay. Inside this, first line is for, however, struct node star p star temp int element comma position. Sorry, I have written it directly, but don't do it. As and when you encounter it, then you declare. Okay. Next what? Anyways, I'll write it. What is there to lose? Struct node star and then malloc of size of struct node. Got it? Next what?
Ask the values for
Again space का ठीक है. Same line only I'll do. Scanf first printf asks for position. Enter the value of position where you want to insert the element. I don't want to write that much, so I have written this. Okay, and then scanf, whatever user will enter that I should store somewhere, so I'm storing it in POS. User told as 3. I have stored it there. Next, accept the value what you want to store. You want to store 25. Then store it in element. Then whatever is there in element, store it in piece value. And piece left link should be null. Piece right link should be null. And this remains as it is. Change this part. I'll write it in blue color. Got it? So now here, don't see that side also. Just try to remember what exactly we should do. First thing, I need one pointer called temp, and it should be pointing to same place where head is pointing, and it should start moving until where it should move. Sorry, number of times it should move right this time. If user told 3, then it should move 1 time. Okay, so how can I write it? Okay, So here for I equal to 1, I
lesser than or equal to position minus 2, I plus plus. Temp.
yes.
Yes.
Once this is done, now temp is pointing to that place
Before the position.
where before the position where you want to insert the element. So now it is pointing to here. This node is ready. Just establish these connections. How to establish? First one is this one. Means from here to here. From here means what? What is this location? Piece R link. Where it should point? Temp is pointing. Which link? Wherever temps R link is pointing to same place. Again, I'm saying it is not inside. It is to this complete node or complete block, I can say, outer rectangle. So I should say piece yes. This one is done now. Okay, this one is done. Next is this one. Temps R link. Temps R link is this one. I want to do this one only now. How to get this one? Check who is pointing. Who is pointing to this complete block? Who is pointing to this complete block? Is it temp? Temps R link is pointing to this complete block. Wherever temps R link is pointing, in that there are 3 parts. Out of which one I need? L link. So simply you should write wherever temps R link is pointing, in that there are 3 parts, out of which take only L link. L link. Okay. And in that location, what you should store? It should point to same place where P is pointing. Means P's address, I should store it in temps R links L link. Don't get confused by looking at the length of the stadium. Just look at that and try to understand. Temp is this one. Now you want this one. Forget this also. Now you want this one. You tell me which is the incoming node, I mean incoming pointer, or who is pointing to this complete node? Temps R link is pointing. This much all of you understood. If you want this one, temps R link is pointing to some location where there are 3 parts. But which part I need? L link. Then I'll write arrow mark L link. But assume that I wanted to access this one. But my temp is pointing here. How to access? Temps. How many times R link? You went here. Okay. I want to access this value. Simple. How to access this? First check who is pointing here. Is there any pointer directly to here? No, but from here it is there. So who is pointing to here? This block? Temp. So how can I say this pointer? Which R link? Temps R link. Wherever it is pointing, in that there are 3 blocks, out of which I want middle one. Then what I should say? Temps R links value. Done. Clear? But say suppose if I want to access this value, then it is different. What I should write? Temps R link, wherever it is pointing, in that there are 3 blocks, out of which I want again R link so that I can reach here, and in that I want val. So temps R links val. If I want to access this one, I'm saying from here, if I want to access this one, temps R links value. If I want to access this one more link is there, right? So how to go from here till there? Temps R link is this one. Wherever it is pointing, there are 3 parts, out of which if I want to go here, which one I should use? If I want to go here, I am here. If I want to go here, which one I should use? Right link only. So again, you write right link once more, and then you access value. Got my point or not? If you have not understood, let me know. I'll repeat it. Want me to repeat? Anyways, that is not our concern. Inserting here is only our concern. That much have you understood? What I should do? Temps R link, wherever it is pointing, in that there is left link. In that location, which address should be stored? In this location, normally think which address should be stored. Previous
link.
node's address should be stored. Which is previous node here? So this address should be stored where it will be present in P. That P's address copied here. Clear? Here 4000 will be there. That 4000 if I copy it here means this particular location where it will be pointing to P only. Clear with that? Okay. So now that is done. Means this is done. Next.
Link should be pointing where the temp is pointing.
This one should be pointing to
Where temp is pointing.
means what I should write.
Left link.
R link.
L.
Is L link.
So P's
Sir.
L link. Again, is it right link?
No,
Because have I told you that it should be pointing inside here, or have I told you that it should be pointing to this block? This complete node it should point. It should not be inside that. Getting my point? It should be pointing to this node. Means you just imagine if persons are standing, middle person should point to next person's left node should be left link should be pointing to me, and my right node should be pointing to previous person, and previous person's right node. I mean, my left node will be according to you. Okay, my left will be pointing to him, and is according to you. If I have to say, then your right will be pointing to me. Clear? Not any specific position, but from where you should point, that you should be specific. To where it should be pointing, always, anywhere you see, anywhere have I written arrow mark inside? Started from inside, true. But has it reached inside? Nowhere. Here you check, it is up to here. Here you check, it is up to here. Here you check, it is up to here. But starting point will be from inside. Yeah. Online. This is also done. Last one is this one. What I should do? Should be simple anyways. If you are able to tell this much, it should be temps R link. Done. Just tell me what is the difficulty here. If you take position 2, means you want to insert at position 2, means this one should come here. Okay. If you want to insert it here, then you should stop your temp here. Yes. If you want to stop your temp here, then how many times you should move? You need not move. Already it is pointing here. Sir, will the logic work the same way, sir? Check. What is your position value this time? It will be 2, you assume. Here I'll write whatever your doubt is. 2. I want to insert it at position 2. Now you check. What is the logic that I have written? 2 minus 2 is 0. Means it will not move one time also. For every input, the logic remains same. Means my logic, whatever I have written, it works in such a way for every input, it will be same logic. It is valid for every input. Clear? Online. Again, 2 minutes. Make it fast, or otherwise, or take 5 minutes because it is complete one. Or otherwise, anyways, I'll share it. If you want, I'll share it now only, but charge is left with 1%. So first you copy it, 5 minutes time I'll give, then I'll move it, delete rare. If possible, we'll finish all the remaining, 4 methods though we cannot do. Okay, at least 3 methods, I'll do it now. That is also not possible, I guess, already time is up. At least one more method I should do. Somehow quickly copy it. Make it fast, I'll explain it. You write it. Okay, I'll explain the next scenario. Okay, you can just, develop the code part. Will that be fine?
Yes.
Great then. When you want to You know, okay, just stop. Because, I don't want to say anything. I believe all of you understood that part. So anyways, most of the things are same. I believe you can write it. Now I'm moving with delete. Stop writing. I'll share it. As if, you are doing, if you don't copy, you will lose the code. I think this will be third case, however, for this one. Okay, please change it. Don't ask me that also. In delete, there is some changes here. Okay, please observe all of you. Stop, stop, stop quickly. Again, this will be fourth case, that is delete from friend, means nothing but at beginning of node. First one is head is null. Second one is second case. In this is different. What is different, sir? There exists only some nodes exist which is greater than 1. Okay. For all category which comes under this, you should follow simple same logic. That is, this is your head and this will be your first node. No, not photo. For everything photo. I know now it is visible. Oh, here. Second, third, fourth. Okay. Here, 5, 10, 15, 20. This will be null, connection, connection, connection. This will be null. If you observe in this case, however, what you should do? If head is null, what you should say?
The list is empty, nothing to delete.
If head is pointing to null, then I should say that deletion not possible, or sorry, I got confused now. Nothing to delete. In this case, this is new case. Why? Because there might be a chances that there is only one node. Means first time using insert friend or insert rare or specific, whatever you want to use, you used it and you inserted only one element, means one node is present. Immediately you will try to delete it. First we will see this case. Okay, in this case what I should do? Sorry, I'll keep one temp here because this complete node I should delete, else in reverse way it will be pointing. Okay, I should delete it complete, not just move the head. Okay, delete it completely. Why? Because in this case there is reverse way also. There is a chance of coming back. Okay, so assume that head is pointing here. If I try to print head's left link's value, then I'll get this value. So I should not leave it. I should completely delete it. Then what I should do? First, bring your head point temp here, means temp should be pointing to same place where head is pointing, and then sorry, Head should point to same place where temps are link or heads are link. Temps are link or heads are link. Anything is fine. Both are same only. Okay. So now head will be pointing to here. Next, what I should do? This also I should do, right? Because I want to delete this. Means I should break this connection and I should make this as null. Yes. And then what I should do? That this side also you should make it no. This side I need not do it because this side by default it will be null only. I mean by default I delete it completely, right? There is no point in doing it. Next what? I'll print one statement saying that deleted element is. I'm sorry. Here, till here is it visible? Okay. Then I'll just try to write printf deleted element is %d. What I should print? Yes. That I've done. Next what? This is just free of done. For this case, it is done. Okay, means what you are doing, you are taking your head to next point and you are deleting the current node. Yes. But in this case, what I should do? Is there any next node? Here you told that take head to next position, means next node. But is there any next node here? No. Means this case also will not follow this. Or this case will it follow head is null. What I'm doing? Deletion not possible. Should I say that deletion not possible? No, it is not coming under both the criteria. So I should write one more case for that. Okay, what I should write here? First, I should say HR link what you will do. Deleting this, right? For deleting this, why I should use HR link? Directly not head to null. First, you should say free of, sorry, not temp, head, and then head equal to printf you can write, I believe. Fine. Yeah. You will not leave me, guys. It's what I should print. The deleted element is, you can write that also, and you can print head wherever it is pointing its value, and you can delete this. After deleting this, where it should be pointing? Null. First I'm deleting it, and then I'm pointing head to null. Clear? Okay. Online. I will not write code for this. Probably if time permits tomorrow, I may write. But for today, how many methods? If I'm not wrong, 3. Charge is still there, madam. No worries. Charge is there. Okay. I mean, this part is previous one, I believe. What I'll do is, guys, I'll share it. Okay. Which are those 3 methods which we have discussed today? Insert, rare, insert, specific, delete front. My part is done. Your part is left out. Okay. Fine. I'll share it. Fine. So please try with delete rare, delete specific. See, according to me by now, all of you are capable enough to write those 2 methods. Okay, including this also you could have written, but here there is one more new case. For that reason I have written that. Okay, if, else if, and else. Previously we have written only if and else. This time if, else if, and else. Are you guys aware of what is the functionality of if, else if, and else? Yes or no? Yes. If you don't know, then I'll explain it. Then we can write it tomorrow, probably not today. Okay, if you know, proceed. Okay. One node is there. How to check if one node is there? Okay, that part I didn't tell you. How to check if there is only one node? This part. What is the condition that I should write? So in else if part, I should write only one node exists. Then what I should write there, I'm asking. X, L link you cannot set because if there is multiple nodes also, L link will be pointing to null only. So X R link if it is pointing to null, which means there is only one. If X, else if X R link equal to null, do this operation. Okay, first you print that, then delete head, free head and X should be equal to null. Got it?
Sir. Sir,
So sorry.
sir, just a quick question. Just additional case, right? Why it was not there in the single linked list while deletion from front?
See, in single link list also you can include that. It is not that we cannot include, but there if I would have included this, it would have bounced over your head for sure. Okay, this and this was only difficult during that time understanding, so I didn't add this. If you want to add this there also, you can add it. Okay, because there also there might be a chances that one node can exist. Okay, there what I should write? X link equal to null in single link list. Okay, if you want to add it, you can add it. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
If you have any doubts, as usual, ping me. If not, as usual, keep proceeding ahead. Clear?
Yes.
As of now, I'll wind it up because there is another meeting which is supposed to be started by 11. I think 11 is already done. Okay, fine then. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.